This is the last phase of repair of a typical roofed Goan traditional house. This house is at least 100 years old in Mapsa, and they did it systematically. They first removed all old tiles, old rafters and beams of the house, and then they put new scaffolding, new beams, rafters, and then they put back the tiles. Old and new tiles one can see now on the roof. These are all Manglore tiles. They are quite durable and they sustain the heavy rains. It rains around 120 inches or 3000 millimeters in Mapsa. And this type of sloped roofs with a typical angle that we see here is very important for smooth drainage of the rooftop rainwater. Then they removed the old plastering, and then this is the new cement plastering which has been done very systematically, and they have exposed this old part of the house. And slowly they will also repair that old part and with a new cement plastering. So overall, very systematic approach towards repair of roof as well as the walls of typical Goan house in one of the oldest settlement zone of the business town of Mapsa in North Goa, India.